Alright guys, so all I needed today was, I needed a power cord. I didn't even test this damn thing. It looks like crap. I just need something I can cut the cord off of and plug it into my inverter. Anyway, these are the worst. I mean, they really are. But for $249, it saves me having to wire up an outlet. Anyway, that's all I needed from here. But I went down there and I saw, oh look, there's a CB radio, one of the ones I actually have. It has a broken battery cover, but it has a cigarette lighter plug, which is kind of cool. Let's see if it works. Yeah, cool. I don't hear anything, which is kind of interesting. You should probably hear some noise, right? See if we can test it. Let's see. I think, yeah. Oh wow, CB radio's open. Yeah, this thing don't work. Nothing. I love how people donate broken crap. Look, there was a sticker on it somewhere else. Somebody bought it used. But that's okay. So it's definitely burned up. Usually I don't see handhelds burned up. And the other thing I found is a Garmin that I used to have. It's the Newbie 2595 lifetime maps and traffic, usually with Bluetooth, and it should be also voice command. So that appears to power up. There's dirt and stuff all over the charge cord, so I think this thing bounced around in somebody's truck or something. Wasn't very well taken care of. These are good because actually, believe it or not, you can sell them pretty easily on eBay, but 2017. Let's see if it works. Voice command. This might not be the one that has it then. Voice command. Find place. Try it again. Find place. Phoenix, Arizona. Interesting. Anyway, so it does work. That's cool. So, and when I bought one of these new, it was $250. Probably 2014 or something like that. The other thing I found was this PS3 for $5, and it's got like, looks like it came from the same place. It's really, really dirty. I've got another one that doesn't work, and I thought, well, maybe this one, you know, might work. So all in all, and then here's a dash cam. All in all, I spent $23. So the CB radio, I knew I shouldn't have probably grabbed that, but I have another one at home, and my battery cover is broken, so I could use this just to fix the other one I have. And I'm sure it's probably pretty fixable, to be honest with you. I probably have a transistor laying around that could be put in it, or it might be something else. So it could be a fun little project to do on the channel, you know. It doesn't have to always be ham radio stuff, you know. But anyway, let's see what this is. Okay, so now if this thing actually works, I'm gonna leave it in the truck. It feels really light. It's got dual cameras. I like it. It does feel super light. There's an SD card in it. I don't know if it's ever been used, so everything looks to be here. So I'm gonna plug it in and find out. So it definitely works. I can see myself over here, and yeah, so interesting. So this is kind of more of like the kind of dash cam to monitor the drive